Welcome to a journey into the shadows of the wild, where danger and beauty intertwine, in the form of one of Earth's most enigmatic creatures, the Black Mamba. Today, we're peeling back the layers of mystery, surrounding this infamous snake with 13 curious facts you likely didn't know. Before we dive into the heart of darkness and marvel, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more mesmerizing insights into the natural world. Pay close attention to each fact we're about to unveil. Understanding these aspects will not only broaden your knowledge but also deepen your appreciation for the intricate balance of life and the misunderstood characters within it. Let's embark on this fascinating exploration together, where every detail reveals a story worth knowing. Fact 1. Speed. The Black Mamba's reputation precedes it, not just as a formidable predator with lethal venom, but also as an astonishingly swift creature. This serpent can reach slithering speeds of up to 12 miles per hour, setting it apart as the fastest snake across the globe. Its speed is more than just a fascinating fact. It's a stark reminder of the raw power and efficiency with which nature has endowed some of its creatures. Should you ever find yourself in the presence of this swift assassin, the advice is clear and chilling. Running is not an option. This piece of knowledge stirs a deep curiosity and respect for the Black Mamba, a creature that embodies both the beauty and the terror of the natural world. Fact 2. Venom potency. The potency of the Black Mamba's venom is a topic that both fascinates and horrifies, illustrating the fine line between life and death in the natural world. With just 2 drops of its venom powerful enough to claim an adult human's life in roughly 20 minutes, the Black Mamba's bite is one of nature's most efficient killers. The venom is a complex cocktail of neurotoxins, designed not merely to incapacitate but to utterly shut down the victim's nervous system while also preventing the blood from clotting. This deadly mechanism of action sparks an eerie curiosity about how such a substance functions at the molecular level, highlighting the Black Mamba not only as a creature to be feared but also as an incredible subject for scientific study. The snake's venomous bite is a stark reminder of the raw power contained within some of the world's most feared creatures. Fact 3. Length. The sheer size of the Black Mamba is a subject that tickles the curiosity of many, for it stands as one of Africa's most elongated venomous serpents. Imagine a creature that, when stretched out, can measure up to an astonishing 14 feet in length. This remarkable length not only places it among the giants in the realm of venomous snakes, but also imbues it with a certain majesty and awe. The thought of such a lengthy creature slithering through the African wilderness evokes a mixture of admiration and fear, highlighting the extraordinary adaptations that have evolved in these reptiles. It prompts one to ponder the ecological role of such a formidable predator and the evolutionary journey that has led to its impressive stature. The Black Mamba's length is not just a statistic, it's a fascinating glimpse into the grandeur and complexity of nature's design. Fact 4. Misunderstood color. The Black Mamba's name is a curious case of misdirection that adds to its enigmatic nature. Contrary to what one might expect, this fearsome serpent does not wear a cloak of black. Instead, its skin showcases a spectrum of colors from olive to grayish-brown, blending seamlessly into the African landscape it calls home. The origin of its ominous name comes from a less visible, yet more intimate feature: the deep, inky black coloration found inside its mouth. This striking contrast between expectation and reality sparks curiosity about the cultural or evolutionary reasons behind the naming. It highlights the snake's dual nature, outwardly unassuming yet harboring a dark secret within, reminiscent of the hidden depths and surprises that nature often holds. The Black Mamba's name, therefore, becomes a fascinating entry point into discussions about how appearances can be deceiving and the symbolic meanings we attach to the creatures around us. Fact 5. Lifespan. The lifespan of the Black Mamba offers a captivating glimpse into the resilience and adaptability of this formidable creature. In the untamed expanses of their natural habitats, these serpents can navigate the perils of the wild to reach up to 11 years of age, a testament to their survival skills amidst predators and the challenges of finding food. Yet, when the variables of their existence are controlled in captivity, free from the threats that loom in the wild and with a steady supply of nourishment, Black Mambas can surpass this age, living even longer. This intriguing disparity raises questions about the impact of environment on longevity. and the biological mechanisms that these snakes have developed to cope with the hardships of their natural surroundings. It also sparks curiosity about the care of such dangerous animals in captivity and the ethical considerations of keeping wild animals removed from their natural context. The life expectancy of the black mamba, both in the wild and in captivity, invites us to ponder the delicate balance between survival and the influence of environment on life's span. Fact 6. Solitary creatures. The solitary nature of the black mamba is a fascinating aspect of its behavior, casting a spotlight on the snake's preference for a life of solitude. These formidable creatures navigate the world alone, hunting in the silence of their own company, a trait that adds to their mystique and the aura of danger that surrounds them. The fact that they only seek out the company of others for the purpose of mating adds a layer of intrigue to their existence, prompting one to wonder about the instincts that drive these solitary predators. This preference for solitude raises questions about the social structure and territorial instincts of black mambas. How do they establish and maintain their territories without the constant interaction with their own kind? What does this solitary life tell us about their survival strategies and evolutionary adaptations? The black mamba's choice to live and hunt alone apart from brief periods of mating opens a window into the complex behaviors and adaptations of one of nature's most efficient predators, inviting a deeper understanding of the balance between solitude and survival in the animal kingdom. Fact 7. Habitat. The adaptability of the black mamba to various African habitats is a testament to its incredible versatility as a species. From the dense, shadowy underbrush of forests to the expansive sunlit savannas and the rugged terrain of rocky hills, these formidable snakes demonstrate a remarkable ability to thrive in diverse environments. This adaptability raises intriguing questions about their hunting strategies, survival techniques, and the physiological traits that enable them to inhabit such a wide range of ecological niches. The fact that black mambas are as adept at navigating the lofty branches of trees as they are the earthy ground beneath speaks to an evolutionary prowess that is both fascinating and somewhat daunting. It underscores the snake's role as a top predator in its ecosystem, capable of striking with deadly precision whether from above or below. The wide-ranging habitats of the black mamba not only highlight the snake's ecological importance, but also ignite curiosity about how these environments shape their behavior, interactions with other species, and overall contribution to the biodiversity of the African continent. Fact 8. Diet. The dietary habits of the black mamba, encompassing birds, rodents, and occasionally other snakes, unveil a fascinating glimpse into the life of one of nature's most efficient predators. This carnivorous appetite showcases the black mamba's role within the food chain, highlighting its importance in controlling the population of its prey. The intriguing aspect of its diet, particularly the inclusion of other snakes, hints at the black mamba's supremacy in its habitat. Coupled with its astonishing speed and potent venom, the snake's hunting prowess is unmatched, allowing it to capture and subdue its prey with remarkable efficiency. This blend of speed and venom not only underscores the black mamba's dominance over its prey, but also stirs curiosity about the evolutionary developments that have honed its hunting techniques to such perfection. Observing the black mamba in action, one cannot help but marvel at the precision and adaptability of this fearsome hunter, reflecting the complex interplay of biology, environment, and survival in the wild. Fact 9. Egg-laying. The reproductive strategy of the black mamba, an oviparous creature laying between 6 to 17 eggs per clutch, opens a window into the fascinating cycle of life that governs these deadly serpents. The fact that these eggs incubate for approximately 90 days before hatching piques curiosity about the early life stages of one of the most feared snakes in the world. This aspect of their biology prompts questions about the survival mechanisms these eggs and emerging hatchlings possess to evade predators and the elements, considering their mother does not guard them. The variance in the number of eggs laid and the incubation period sheds light on the adaptability and resilience of the species, ensuring the continuation of their lineage despite the numerous threats they face in the wild. It's intriguing to contemplate the journey of these hatchlings from their first moments of life, breaking through the eggshell, to growing into the formidable predators they are destined to become. The oviparous nature of the black mamba not only adds a layer of depth to our understanding of these complex creatures, but also invites us to marvel at the intricate processes of nature that ensure the survival of species. Fact 10. Aggression myth. Contrary to the fearsome reputation that precedes them, black mambas are not the malevolent aggressors many assume them to be. This revelation challenges the common perception, stirring a profound curiosity about the true nature of these misunderstood serpents. Rather than seeking conflict, black mambas exhibit a preference for evasion, opting to distance themselves from humans whenever possible. It's only in situations where they feel cornered or under imminent threat that they resort to their deadly defensive mechanisms. This aspect of their behavior underscores a crucial lesson about the delicate balance of coexistence between humans and wildlife, highlighting the importance of understanding animal behavior to mitigate unnecessary conflict. The realization that the world's fastest and one of its most venomous snakes would rather retreat than attack invites us to reconsider our preconceived notions about nature's so-called villains and prompts a deeper exploration into the complex motivations and instincts that drive animal behavior in the wild. Fact 11. Thermal sensitivity. The ectothermic nature of black mambas, reliant on the ambient environment to regulate their body temperature, casts a fascinating light on their daily and seasonal rhythms. This sensitivity to thermal changes is not just a biological footnote, but a crucial determinant of their behavior, influencing when and how these adept hunters engage with their environment. The interplay between temperature and activity levels in black mambas ignites curiosity about the strategies they employ to maintain optimal body heat for hunting and survival. How does a creature so dependent on external temperatures navigate the challenges posed by fluctuating climates and habitats? This thermal sensitivity shapes their hunting patterns, dictating periods of peak activity and forcing them into a state of dormancy when conditions are not favorable. Understanding the thermal biology of black mambas offers a window into the evolutionary adaptations that have enabled these snakes to thrive across diverse African landscapes, highlighting the intricate connections between physiology, behavior, and ecology in the animal kingdom. Fact 12. Cultural significance. The black mamba's presence in African cultures transcends its physical existence, weaving into the fabric of myths and legends where it embodies strength, speed, and the ever-present shadow of death. This reverence and fear encapsulate a profound respect for the natural world, where the black mamba is not just a creature to be wary of, but a potent symbol of the forces of nature. The curiosity stirred by how different cultures interpret the black mamba's characteristics into moral and cautionary tales speaks volumes about the human desire to find meaning in the natural world. It prompts one to explore the deeper connections between humanity and nature, where animals are not merely physical entities, but bearers of cultural significance and lessons. The symbolic role of the black mamba in African lore invites us to delve into the stories passed down through generations, uncovering the layers of meaning attributed to this formidable snake. Through these narratives, the black mamba becomes a bridge between the tangible and the mythical, offering insights into the collective psyche of the cultures that hold it in awe. Fact 13. Conservation status. The classification of the black mamba as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, paints a picture of stability in the face of environmental challenges. Yet this status belies the underlying threats that loom over its existence. The curiosity arises from the juxtaposition of its seemingly secure conservation status against the backdrop of habitat destruction and the pervasive fear it instills in humans, factors that contribute to conflict and potentially detrimental outcomes for the species. This scenario prompts a deeper inquiry into the complex relationship between human encroachment and wildlife conservation, highlighting the delicate balance required to sustain both human communities and the ecosystems that house such iconic species. The plight of the black mamba underscores a broader conversation about biodiversity and the importance of nuanced approaches to conservation that address the root causes of habitat loss and foster coexistence rather than conflict. It invites us to ponder the future of a creature that, while currently not at immediate risk of extinction, faces challenges that could alter its fate if not addressed with foresight and empathy. Thank you for joining us on this intriguing journey through the 13 curious facts about the Black Mamba. If you've been fascinated by the blend of myth, mystery, and marvel that surrounds this formidable creature, share this video to spread the wonder and awareness. Your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel helps us bring more of the untold stories of the natural world to light. Don't forget to check out the next video appearing on your screen for more fascinating insights into the animal kingdom. Together, let's keep our curiosity alive and our knowledge growing. See you in the next adventure!